Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the 5-minute AI video generator on Rephrase.AI Studio. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Rephrase.AI website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, find your way to the video generator tool. Now, you have two options. You can either upload your script or pick from one of the pre-made templates. Once your input is set, the AI will analyze your text and instantly create a video based on what you've provided. From here, you can customize your video by selecting avatars, choosing backgrounds, and even adding voiceovers. Rephrase.ai Studio offers several options to really make your video stand out. Once you're happy with how it looks, just hit Preview to review everything and then export it to your desired format. The best part? The whole process only takes about 5 minutes, thanks to their powerful AI algorithms that speed up video creation. And that's how you use the 5-minute AI video generator on Rephrase.ai Studio.